Okay, I'm going to be doing a pistol only challenge in the Star Wars season because the pistols are pretty solid. So I can use the DL44 and then the West Star, I believe 34 is what it's called. And that's it. This is, I think, the first only challenge excluding like the blue weapons only that I've done. Okay, but I can still use any heals and mobility that I want. Or like the bunks. I mean, zero build is always. Why is there two blues? Green CR2s. Can't use the shield breakers. Okay, gray one. Hopefully I can win this challenge. I got the Galaxy Glow Palpatine style pretty recently. I'm kind of relying for this challenge on the West Stars to be my close range, and then for long range I use the DL44 since this thing is pretty solid at long range. Ain't no way the Mandalorian is fighting the Stormtroopers from all the way over there. It's kind of crazy. This is honestly not a good inventory. I'm actually gonna replace this gray one with the minis. I need to find those West Star pistols. Otherwise I'm probably kind of cooked. I'm gonna care. I'm gonna hire this guy, I think. What do I have to do? Okay. I don't know what he wants me to do. Scout marked outposts for intel. I have no clue what that means. The pistols are decent this season. I do like the West Star a lot more than the DL44, but the DL44 is still not bad. It's just I'd rather take an AR this season. 100%. Because, like, you can't really replace anything else with this thing. You'd rather have, like, a sniper or a DMR for long ranges, or, like, just an AR. So, it's kind of useless this season, even though it's not a bad weapon. It just doesn't work well this season. Maybe if it had like a higher fire rate, it would be pretty decent. Still not too good, but you know, probably a bit more useful. You know, I'm not gonna take that. I do need mobility. Just wanted to check if I was max gold. I think I'll move over to Clown City here. I really hope I can win this challenge because it's gonna be kind of hard. I kind of do need a West Star if I want to end up winning. Because, like, those close range fights are going to be, like, impossible without it. The DL44, sure, it's decent at close range, but it's not going to beat out a shotgun. That's for sure. Okay, just got 2 blue ones. I'm actually gonna not take that car since I kind of want to loot around Crime City to try and find some of these West Stars. Oh, it's below me. I think Emperor Palpatine with the cape is kind of pay to lose since it's a bit harder to see. But I don't really care. Oh, there we go. There's West Stars. Looks like someone with the TIE fighters kind of close by. Where are these chests? I have no clue where they are. I'm gonna take that car from earlier. And I have West Stars. I should be pretty good. What is that? Wait, why is the portal glowing? I'm actually gonna... Actually, no, that's gonna be in storm pretty soon. I'm gonna have to go then. It's kind of hard to drive in Crime City. I kind of wish they left something in those vaults. Not like anything good, but like maybe like a few chests. But like I think that would have been fun. I think it's over here. Yeah. I do need the mobility, so I'm gonna take that instead of the minis. I'm gonna keep these bounce because they're probably gonna come in handy. Since I kind of do want to keep a distance as easily as possible and be able to like peek and stuff, that would actually be kind of helpful. Though I can't use this thing for battle, so it doesn't really matter which lightsaber I got. It was just the closest one. See if we can find like better West Stars or like a better DL44. So I will be opening chests until I get like a bit better rarity. Cause I don't know, green West Stars aren't really gonna cut it. It seems like a blue DL44, so I probably will have to end up going to that island boss later on. The Jar Jar quest. I don't know why it gave me a landmark discovered. I already found this place before. Been to it before this season. I haven't really been here lately though, but I've still been here before this season. Now you can take those shockwaves. I definitely do want to wait for the island to spawn, because that mythic DL44 will definitely come in handy. Probably going to be one of the best things to go after right now. Definitely, actually, it's the best thing to go after right now. That's like anywhere else won't really help me. There's nothing really else that I need. Where are they firing at? Oh, this guy. I don't see him. I thought I saw footsteps, but I don't see who made them. Oh, there they are. Probably a bot, but still, I'll take a kill. I don't know when the boss spawns in. I think the island starts to spawn after this circle, I believe. If I'm not wrong. Yes, it does. More DL44. Blue DL44s. I don't need another deep blue DL44. It's kind of useless. I'm actually not going to open the slurp rails this time since I got to get to the island. So I do really want that mythic pistol. Even if somebody else defeats the island boss, it doesn't matter. People usually go after it for the medallion and not the DL44. So they'll probably leave that on the ground. I'm actually not going to pick up the medallion. The DL44 is not as bad as I thought. I thought it would be a bit worse, but it's actually pretty darn good. I don't know why this dude still uses Chapter 16 one weapons against you, but he does. Well, somebody's coming. We gotta heal. Thank you. Might as well take that. Actually, oh, I didn't take it. Oh, yeah, I did. Somebody can have that. I don't need it. I'd rather not have my location revealed. Because all I really did that for was the DL44, not the medallion. I don't need the medallion. It's just not worth having my location revealed. It's like that other medallion player's going for it. I think that was the one who tried taking me out on the island. I'm gonna check this loot, see if there's a... Oh yeah, I think he took the Super Shield medallion. I have a feeling he would have chased me if I had kept that. Looks like he is chasing me. Actually, no, that's not him. It's someone else. They put on some solid damage on that guy. But not enough. I did not mean to use a shockwave there. I'm gonna use that to rotate. Ooh, the person with the medallion just went on. Don't think they took my super shield medallion, but it's fine. Oh, that's actually a really good thing to pull from the chest. I want that so badly, but can't have it. I mean, I can have it, but I can't use it. Man, this mythic pistol is actually really good. This thing's underrated as heck. I'm actually gonna become a stormtrooper here. Just so that I can see easier. Why can't we use this? There we go. I actually got a chance at winning this. It's actually not a bad chance that I have of winning this. Oh, yay. More shockwaves. I'm actually going to take that over the bunks. I don't really need the bunks. As good as they are, I just rather have shockwaves, honestly. More mobility is better. Especially when I'm using something like pistols only. This challenge is actually going pretty well. Top 5 at least, which is genuinely pretty good. Okay. This mythic DL44 has gone really good. It's been really useful. Oh my god. This thing genuinely shreds. These pistols are really good. I don't know if that's just a guard shooting at me or not, but it might be. Oh, it looks like the medallion player's coming after me. It could be annoying. I got max shockwaves, which is pretty good. Okay, 3 players left. I really hope I win this. Oh god. Oh, 1v1. Frick! I couldn't hit them. I'm gonna try that one more time. I couldn't hit them at all. If I hit one shot on them, they would have been dead. Come on. I'll give myself one more chance. I don't know why that didn't hit. Like, the shots were right on them, but they weren't hitting. At least I know now that the Pistols are actually really good this season. I already knew that, but holy, they're actually crazy how good they are. Hopefully this game I win with the Pistols. Okay. Guess we'll drop Kappa Kappa. Actually, no, I'm gonna drop here and then rotate the Kappa Kappa if I find a pistol. If not, then I'll just like rotate out of here to a less populated place. What the? Where are the chests? I remember there were lots of chests here before. Doesn't look like there's any pistols. Let's check. I don't see anything. I don't see any pistols. If I can't find any pistols, I don't have anything to fight with, so I actually have to find pistols. Oh, there we go. At least the gray DL44. That's something. I'm gonna take these shield bubbles for now. Pretty sure it was a bot. Oh, I'll take some Westgars. I'm pretty sure there's some slurp barrels here. Yes, there was. I'm glad I didn't use my slap splash. Actually, didn't really matter. Oh. I'd rather take this. Frick! That's the problem with not having a shotgun. Well, I'm gonna try one more time, because like that just sucked. Couldn't have done anything. Can you stop emoting on me? I had no shotgun. What was I supposed to do? You shotgunned me to the face, and I got low. And I couldn't do anything. You're not a good player for winning that fight. It's kind of hard to lose that fight. So, like, you're not a good player for winning that. No. Stop.